I hope this video finds you well. This is WysoReacts. Today we have a heavy request. Wintersun, Sons of Winter and Stars. The Sonic Pump rehearsal version. So, want to give a shout out first to my boy Rasmus for requesting this. We also got Andrew De Barbieri and Carlos Devalos Peters. I don't know, man. I tried. I'm sorry if I butchered that. But we got a bunch of requests going on for this. Those were the main ones asking for this song. And I already see it's epic. 13-minute long song. 14-minute, actually. So let's get right into it. I've been really liking this genre of music. So let's stop talking. Let's start jamming. Nice, like, harp. I can already tell it's going to be one of those epic metal songs that has a whole lot going on. And that's exactly what I want to hear. Nice. I like the lead work into that, and then the drummer just blast beating away. Awesome. I like how we switched out the guitars there too. I like how we switch up the guitars from just being like down, 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 the rhythm to down to get it again, to get it again, to get it again, to get it again. It keeps you interested, keeps you in it. I love that change up. Keep it up, Wintersun. That drummer, those blast beats. Dude is going nuts. We got a guitar vocalist. Love that riff. Love those guitars. Nice. Nice. Oh, I'm going to bring it back for that scream a little bit. I know it's a 14-minute long video. I'm going to bring it back, but that's how good it is. You got the whole band right now into the vocals. Are all doing their own thing. They're like, right. Just building up that epic atmosphere. The drummer right now is the main thing that's really, really getting my attention because that dude is nuts. This is crazy. It's just like a rehearsal. Like, yeah, let's just jam this out real quick. And someone's like, hey, maybe I should film you guys. And they're like, sure. But the tone, I love the guitar tone. I love the drum tone. I love the overall. This sounds like it'd be right on the CD right now. This is a great tone. If these guys sound like this live, then I know they're killing it. Nice. Dirty riff right there. Switching up that same riff, but like throwing in the again. So sick. Love that train jump right there. You already know that I love the riffs, and these guys have riffs for days. It's the meat of the sandwich. Say it over and over again. You need riffs, especially in a 14-minute long song. Really nice lead over that. Like a quick sweep in there, right back to this lead. Out of this genre so far as just shreddy, in your face, awesome riffs, I think Wintersun is starting to carry the torch right now. I've heard a lot of nice shreddy riffs from the other bands, but right now these guys are just like shreddy riff to shreddy riff to shreddy riff, carrying it, going crazy. Keep it up. I just like how it's out of nowhere too, like it's like in your face out of nowhere, like whoa. Nice. It's that offbeat breakdown kind of weird pattern that I talk about in some of the other videos, but I haven't heard it in this style of music yet. And what do you know? It works fucking great. Nice cleans. Kind of that epic, kind of like operatic almost. I can't replicate that, but it's like the operatic cleans. They work so good with this style of music. And I keep forgetting, this is like the rehearsal video. This isn't even the album version. This is just them jamming. I love to see these guys live. Oh, so epic. They must have like an acoustic effect on that, because there's no way that's an acoustic guitar. I know there are acoustic effects for guitars and stuff, but none of them sound quite like the same thing. But this still sounds good. It still sounds good for what they're doing. Doing his operatic, nice, epic voice for this. Crazy changeup. Is that a keyboard mixed with that? I know there's a keyboard doing some of it, but that's kind of a weird little effect there, changeup. I don't think that's a guitar with an effect. If you know what it is, put it in the comments below, but that's a crazy changeup. I like it. And then right after all of that, bringing it back with the vocals. So awesome. Just brings it right back into the heaviness, right into punch you in the face. Wintersun, let's get it. I like those leads there. Throwing those hammer-ons and pull-offs in there. Really cool. And the drummer continuously killing it. How many miles do you think the drummer ran in this song? Let me know in the comments below. Another amazing riff. I love that lead over it. Is that a lead? Oh. Awesome. I was going to say before that lead, was that a keyboard going over it, or was that the guitar? Because they didn't show the lead guitarist playing it, but it sounded like a guitar. Either way, their lead's all over the place in this song, which is epic. I really like that tremolo riff. Literally every aspect of this band right now is impressing me. Such a solid song. Overall solid. from start to finish, just keeping it epic. Any part of the song could be in a movie. Any part of the song could be like during a battle scene, during something crazy going on. And again, this is the rehearsal. This isn't even the album version. This is just them like, yeah, here you go. Yeah, you can film us real quick. Crazy. They know what's up. They know what's up. Winter's fucking sun. Again, you guys know what you were doing to me. You know what I was in for when I was listening to this song. You know that I was going to get into some crazy stuff, epic from start to finish. And all I have to say to you is, thank you. I appreciate that more than you can imagine. That song, overview of the song. Drummer, you obviously know. I think that he probably set an Olympic record for the amount of miles he ran or for how fast he ran them, because that was crazy. Guitars, the riffs, all over the place. Vocalist, from the screaming to the epic operatic vocals. And not only that, he's playing the guitar while he's doing that. The bass guitar, keeping right along with it, keeping the groove, keeping everything interesting. It was great. All 14 minutes of it. Great. That's definitely a song that I would listen to again and jam. And I don't know about you guys. You're watching the video now. You let me know. That flew by, right? That didn't feel like 14 minutes. That felt like maybe 6 minutes. Maybe 6 minutes. Felt like, but that flew by. And you know time flies when you're having fun. And I was having fun with that song. That was great. That was a fun, epic metal song. Wintersun, that's the first song I've ever heard from you. And I can't wait to hear more. So keep it up, guys. I really love what you're doing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want me to react to next in the comments below. And make sure you hit that notification bell as well so you know when I upload new videos. YouTube, until next time.